Welcome to the virtual office training. Today we will learn top 10 Excel shortcuts you might don't know. First shortcut is Control space bar. If you want to select entire column of the worksheet, just press Control space bar. It will select entire column in the worksheet. If you want to select entire row of the worksheet, just press Shift space bar. It will select entire row of the worksheet. If you want to insert the auto sum formula, press Alt is equal to. Just press Alt is equal to. It will insert the auto sum formula. If you want to hide the column of, just press Ctrl 0. Press Ctrl 0, it will hide the column. If you want to display the delete dialog box, just press Alt ED. Just press Alt ED, it will show the delete dialog box. If you want to delete the entire row, just select it and press OK. If you want to delete entire column, just press select and press OK. It will delete the entire column. If you want to insert the date, just press Control semicolon. Control semicolon for insert date. If you want to insert time, just press Control Shift semicolon. Control Shift semicolon to insert the time. If you want to show the formula, just press Control tilde. If you want to show the formula in the worksheet, just press Control tilde. It will show the formula. If you press Control tilde again, it will show the result. If you want to move to the bottom of the record, just press Control and. Control and it will move to the bottom of the record. If you want to move top of the record, just press Control Home. Control Home to move to the top of the record and Control End for bottom of the record. Hope this top 10 Excel shortcut will be very helpful for you. Thanks for watching.